Banks are quietly raking in billions from mistakes you don't even realize you're making. Let's change that. I've helped millions improve their finances, and I'll share 7 sneaky credit card traps banks don't want you to know about, so you can dodge them and keep more money in your pocket. Thinking about closing an old credit card you don't use? Stop! That could actually lower your credit score and cost you thousands later. Here's why. When you close an old card, your credit history gets shorter and your total credit limit drops, so your score gets hurt in 2 big ways. Alex, a cashier, closed her 5-year-old credit card and her credit score dropped by 50 points. But that's not all. When she later took out a mortgage, she paid $30,000 more than she should have because of this mistake. Pro tip: keep old cards open. Use them once in a while for something small, like a $5 subscription, and set up autopay. It keeps your credit history strong and your credit score high. See a bunch of cool credit card offers and feel like applying for all of them? That's a trap. Each time you apply, your credit score takes a hit because of something called a hard inquiry. 1 isn't a big deal, but 4 in 1 weekend? Yikes. Pro tip: while considering new credit cards, use a bank's pre-qualify tool. It checks your chances of approval without hurting your score. Then just apply for the one card that fits you best. Credit cards are super convenient, but if you spend too much, your score can tank, even if you pay on time. Lisa used 90% of her credit limit. Mark only used 25%. Lisa's score dropped by 85 points, but Mark's didn't, even though both never missed a payment. High usage tells banks you might be in trouble. Keep your balance under 30% of your limit. Pro tip: make payments before your credit card statement dates. Banks report your balance on your statement date, not your due date, so this trick can give your score a boost. Ever got sucked into getting a card just for the sign-up bonus? That's what happened to Carlos. He got a fancy travel card with a $95 yearly fee, but he barely travels. Jen flies all the time for work, but got a basic card with no travel perks. 2 years later, Carlos got stuck paying yearly fees for benefits he never used, while Jen missed out on over $1,000 in free flights and other perks she could have had. Pro tip: match your card to your spending. Love dining out? Get a dining rewards card. Travel a lot? Get one with travel perks. No point paying for stuff you don't use. You see that tiny minimum payment on your bill and think, no big deal. But that's a trap that will keep you in debt forever. Let's say Ryan and Sophia both owe $5,000. Ryan only pays the minimum of $150 per month, while Sophia pays $250 each month. Sophia is debt-free in 2 years and paid less than $1,500 in interest, whereas Ryan takes almost 5 years to get debt-free and pays more than twice as much interest. Pro tip: adding even $50 extra to your monthly payment will save you a ton and get you out of debt way faster. 0% interest for 18 months? Sounds awesome, right? It can be, but only if you play it smart. Most people don't finish paying off their balance in time, and when the 0% deal ends, the interest rate shoots up, often to over 25%. Pro tip: divide your total by the promo months. Owe $4,000 on an 18-month plan, pay $223 a month. Set up autopay and you'll pay it off before interest kicks in. Need quick cash? Don't use your credit card at an ATM. That's called a cash advance and it's super expensive. You get charged a fee up front and the interest starts immediately, usually at a much higher rate than normal. In fact, a $1,000 cash advance can lead to over $250 in fees and interest. Pro tip: only use credit cards for purchases, not cash. If you're in an emergency, look for cheaper options like a personal loan. Remember, credit cards can be a great tool, but only if you use them the smart way. Pick one tip from this video and take action right now. Your future self will thank you. But credit cards aren't the only way banks are ripping you off. Watch this video to discover other ways banks make money at your expense, and how you can fight back to keep more of your cash.